Alright guys, so I'm back from the PA fan meet, and I arguably had one of the greatest days of my life just in terms of the fun and the memories, as well as the fan acquisitions. So I think the meet overall was successful. It was great to see everybody. I had a great time. At the time this video is being uploaded, it was a few weeks ago, but regardless, it's a day I'll never forget. And yeah, so this is one of the fans that I got from the meet, and this is one that I picked up from WeFire88. I think I got this and another fan for $15, and I traded that fan for something else, which you'll see in another video. But yeah, I've wanted one of these for a very long time. If you've seen my old channel, you even remember, or you may remember me mentioning it. But yeah, these were heavily childhood for me, and I'm just glad to finally have one. So this one's in pretty good shape. One of the blades, I think it's this one, the mice got to in his house, but I mean, who cares? Barely notice it, and these are super common anyway, so it's not like it really matters to me. But yeah, it's dated February 2006. Don't know where that is. I don't know why that tape is there. Let's see. There, February of 2006. But yeah, it's got reversible blades in case you didn't know. But yeah, we'll take it to low. So these fans were produced from 2001 to 2008 or 9, and this was kind of Home Depot bread and butter model. These were good but economical fans, and they were used in houses, commercial settings, retail, you name it. These things were everywhere in the 2000s, and a lot of collectors hate them because they replaced much cooler fans, but I grew up with these and I like them. So yeah, this is also the same fan that was featured in WeFire88's video. So if you check out his channel, you'll see the exact same one, and he said some other details about these. But great fans. It's on low. I'm already feeling air, and this thing took me literally 5 minutes to put up, if that. So I think these were a great deal, and I wish that I could have had one new in the box way back when, but I wanted one super badly as a kid, and now about 17 years later or so, I finally have one. So now I'll take it to medium. And this thing's silent. But these things, they just go. Zero wobble on lower medium, and I'm already feeling a good breeze. But yeah, this was their builder model before the Farmington. Farmington came out, lasted longer than this, and that's now been replaced by the Bayfield as of last year. So it's TBD on how long that model will last. But these had a solid run, and I remember them being installed in Home Depot Expo. There was a section that had a white one and then an oil rub bronze, but it's only a very faint memory, as I was like 3 or 4 years old when I saw that install. But there was also a convenience store I used to go to with my dad that had one of these, and that's where I really started to like them. But yeah, now we'll take it to high. No sound from it. Blades are in good clock. The motor's got a little wobble on high, but you barely notice it. And for what this is, the airflow on it is pretty damn good. Like, I'm really feeling a good bit of air, and this was one of their cheaper fans back in the day. But now we'll take it to spin down. And yeah, this thing really runs well. No bearing hiss, no motor hum, no other weird problems. The blades are in good alignment. This one held up well. And the fob is a little bit yellow, but I mean, that's the fob. So who even cares? I wouldn't even care if it didn't have it. And this thing's having a decent spin down time too, which I didn't expect. But yeah, this is one that's here to stay, because I've wanted one of these forever, and I didn't really go out of my way to get one, but the opportunity presented itself and I just decided to take it. So this one will stay with me. And I also like having fans to remember from the meets. Last year I got the Infinity and the Monticello. Those are forever pieces. And one of those black Infinities will probably be too. So this is just a great thing to have. And there you have it. There's the Hampton Bay Quick Connect from 2006. And here's just a little sneak peek at some of the other stuff I got. But I have to take it out. I'm not gonna leave it like this. But yeah, so that's just a sneak peek. And I will see you guys in the next one.